Hello everyone, welcome to Drone Tech, welcome to our channel. So today we brought some Jiyi ground terrain following radar sensor for your agriculture drones, and for your any type of drones you can deploy these radar sensor. So here is the box, we will unbox this. As you can see, you can also find this product on our e-commerce website, on our online website. So here we will unbox this product. So here is the product, you can check. This is the Jiyi ground terrain following radar. So if you want to make the purchase of this radar, or if you want to buy this radar, you can directly buy from our e-commerce website. And if you want to buy it in bulk, or if you want to make some inquiry, then you can contact us on the given number below in the description. Or if you have any other query, you can also email us. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please do share, subscribe and comment please. Thank you very much. Please like the video.